Meaning of hurdler.
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 Hurdler. A hurdler is an athlete who participates in the sport of track and field, specifically in hurdle races. In these races, athletes must run and jump over a series of hurdles that are set at fixed intervals along a track. The goal is to complete the race as quickly as possible, while clearing each hurdle without knocking it over or slowing down too much. Hurdling requires speed, strength, agility, and impeccable coordination. It is a highly competitive and demanding discipline that has produced some of the most iconic moments in Olympic history.